Have you ever wondered how changing weather patterns are transforming the lives of people across the globe? Today, we delve into the harsh realities of climate change, as witnessed in the devastating floods that recently swept through Brazil's southern Rio Grande do Sul state. In what has been described as an unprecedented catastrophe, at least 75 people have tragically lost their lives, while more than 100 individuals remain missing. The calamity has displaced over 88,000 people, with landslides, washed-out roads, and collapsed bridges marking the landscape of devastation. State Governor Eduardo Leite has likened the need for reconstruction to a Marshall Plan, underscoring the magnitude of the disaster. President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva, after visiting the affected areas, emphasized the importance of proactive disaster prevention measures. These heavy rains, exacerbated by the El Niño climate phenomenon, mark the fourth environmental disaster in the state within a year. Experts warn that such extreme weather events are becoming more frequent due to human-induced climate change. This underscores the urgent necessity for adaptation measures in Brazil, but the implications extend far beyond the borders of this South American country. In the Western Hemisphere, for instance, we are seeing a record-breaking surge in dengue cases. Over 4 million cases have been reported this year alone. Rising temperatures and increased urbanization are accelerating infections, with over 2,000 deaths reported in the region. This mosquito-borne disease now affects 129 countries, with half the world's population at risk. Climate change-related factors like droughts and floods are increasing virus transmission, highlighting the interconnectedness of our global climate challenges. In conclusion, the impact of climate change is not a distant threat looming on the horizon. It is happening now, and it is affecting us all. From the surging dengue cases to the unprecedented floods in Brazil, the effects of climate change are undeniable and far-reaching. The time for action is now, before the next disaster strikes. It is not just about saving our planet, but about saving ourselves and our future generations from the devastating consequences of a changing climate.